How to change your profile photo on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile photo on Skype mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click settings and then account and profile, and then just click here profile picture. Click here and click upload photo, and then select any photo you want, and after select your photo you can manage it. Just click here or here and then save it, go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.